Hey guys, it's me Vanity, and today I have a Valentine's Day look for you all. I'll be using the Colourpop Ooh La La palette for this look, and I'm just gonna start out with this fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go into that color called Soft Core, and I'm just going to apply that right on the crease of my eye. This is going to be the transition color I use for this look. So I'm just going to focus on blending that out right on my crease. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to use Moonstruck, this very nice pigmented gold color, and I'm going to apply it with a flat brush. About 3/4 of my movable lid will be covered with it. And I'm just going to take my time to build that color to make sure that it's very bright. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go back into the palette into the color Opulent, this very bright pink, and it does have a bit of a shimmer to it. And I'm just going to use this flat brush to pack it on that little corner that did not have any eyeshadow. And I'm just going to continue to add color until it's very bright. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. I'm just going to continue to build up that color. Now I'm going to use the same fluffy brush I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to blend out any harshness that may be between the gold and the pink that I applied. And I'm just going to blend out the other side also. Now I'm going to go in with my Sephora liquid liner, and I'm just going to make a very thin eyeliner look. I don't want the eyeliner to stand out very much because I want these colors to really pop. So I'm just gonna make a very small wing. And I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to go in with my Badunkadunk mascara from NYX. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer on my lashes. For false eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Shopmissa Alexis lash with this Kiss strip adhesive glue. Then I'm just going to apply a very thin layer of glue on the lash line. I'm going to try to apply the falsies as close to my lash line as possible. Now for foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. And I'm just going to use this flat brush to apply it on my face. Now I'm going to use my beauty sponge and I'm going to blend out my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer in creamy beige, and I'm just going to apply it on my dark circles. And I'm going to blend it out with that same beauty sponge that I used to apply my foundation. For setting powder, I'm going to use this Airspun, and I'm just going to apply it with a disposable white sponge. And I'm going to let it sit there for about 2 minutes, and then I'm just going to remove it with this fluffy brush. For contour, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics contour kit, and I'm going to go in with that light brown color, and I'm just going to apply it right on my cheek, on the middle of my cheek. On the other side now, and also on my forehead. And now I'm going to take the other side of that brush and start to blend it out. For blush, I'm going to use my Clinique Chubby Stick. And I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And with a disposable white sponge, I'm going to blend that out. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Wetnwild Precious Petals. And I'm just going to apply that right on the side of my cheek, right above my blush. Now on the other side. On my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And for lipstick, I'm going to use this Stila pink lipstick in the color Perla. This is a matte lipstick, by the way. All of the products in this video will be in the description box. Be sure to follow me at HeyVanity21 on Instagram. And this is my final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.